Here is how to update Among Us on your phone. So first, if you're using Android device, go ahead, open your Google Play Store. And if you're using iPhone, you need to go ahead, open the App Store. Click on the search bar in the top, then type in Among Us and search for it. Select Among Us. And if you see an update button instead of open or play, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. This will instantly download and install the latest update on your phone. Now, to automatically update Among Us in the future, you need to go back to the Play Store's main menu. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and select Settings. From this page, you need to go ahead and select Network Preferences, that is between General and Family. Now here, you'll get the option of Auto Update Apps. Select it. Select Update over Wi-Fi only to automatically update your apps when connected to Wi-Fi. This way, you won't have to manually update Among Us each time. These are two ways to update Among Us on your Android device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.